Right guys, here we are at Rowston level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe. There we go. Now here we are in video 1 on Friday the 11th of July 2014. Time now is 17:29. See that? I know the screen's a bit broken, look. I've only just done that. It's even got a line going down the screen. I dropped it on the floor in the house, in the case on laminate flooring, and it shattered completely. This has got rubbish glass. Right, now we have the 153 coming from Sleaford off to Lincoln. And tomorrow I'll be doing a whole day's worth of Sleaford level crossing. Sleaford East, Sleaford North and Sleaford West. I got the back fixed on this phone, guys. See? Remember when it was broken before like that? Yeah, the back's fixed, the front's broke. Right, truck's vibrating, signal's on red. There we go, we're on green. And our train is coming round the corner any second. Here she comes. One 326 to Lincoln. 153 off to Lincoln and up they go. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.